Your reaction to this latest Fed decision? Any real surprises here with the decision to stay on hold?
Yes, good morning, Dan, and thank you for having me live from Singapore. Well, I think compared with the ECB last week that delivered actually a hawkish, dovish hike, the Fed is delivering what I would call actually a hawkish hold. The three changes actually that I would notice and share with you today is on the one side, they actually changed the wording on growth from being modest to solid. So this is quite a change. The second is the assessment on jobs market. You know, the last time it was focusing on has slowed, and today it's much more solid. So it shows that somehow the Fed is quite happy to see that the heat that is coming from jobs market is actually cooling down. But the big change obviously is the dot plots that you mentioned earlier. We ourselves at Indosuez think that the Fed is done hiking interest rates, so we have reached a plateau. I think today the Fed is keeping optionality. And by the way, today the odds of another rate hike is about 50-50 before the end of the year. We don't think they will actually hike interest rates today. So they are managing expectations. And this is probably one when you look at the expectations for 2024. A month ago, we were looking for about 100 basis points of rate cuts. Today it's only 50. Our own expectations is more like 75 basis points on the basis only if core inflation is indeed slowly heading toward 3%. And the Fed itself is quite optimistic that they will reach slightly below 3% by the end of 2024. We stick to our call to see 75 basis points of rate cuts in 2024, but that won't happen until the second half of the year.